more power, and the lowest vibration in its class. Introducing the HR4013C AVT rotary hammer from Makita. With its powerful 11-amp motor, this rotary hammer delivers up to 11.4 joules of impact energy, a 20% increase over previous models. And more impact energy doesn't mean more vibration, because the new HR4013C has up to 45% less vibration versus previous models. This engineering achievement was accomplished with the latest in Makita anti-vibration technology, a 3-component system synchronized together to more effectively reduce vibration. And chipping just got a whole lot easier thanks to the push-button switch for chipping applications. This switch is conveniently located directly in front of the main handle for one-finger activation, and it's exclusive to Makita. The new HR413C has all the same best-in-class performance features of other Makita hammers, including an electronic controller, soft start, constant speed control, variable speed, LED power and service lights, and more.
My opinion, it's just it's a lot less vibrating than what I've used before. Easy to use, drills a lot better, quicker, really light. I like the new look and feel. Just works well overall.
It's a lot less vibration, and I was a little surprised at how easily it drilled. I definitely recommend the rotary hammer, just very user friendly.